Hey, my name is Adam Shelton. Thanks for watching this video. I'm taking a quick break right now because I was just creating content. And this video, I'm creating more content for you right now. Now, I wanted to share two things with you that I've really learned about in my life and in my time in terms of as an entrepreneur. Now, one thing, I just stepped right outside and I was thinking two things that I've learned throughout the process. You know, last year we're dealing with the pandemic. We're still dealing with the pandemic. But here's the thing that I didn't stop doing. I did not stop investing into myself or into investing into things that's going to make me better. So let me explain to you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. You definitely want to pay attention to this entire video, because if you're struggling in terms of like moving forward in life or setting simple goals or really just not really making the type of money you want to watch this video. Definitely. I'm sitting right outside right now. It's a really nice night. I like doing videos outside because it makes me feel good, especially if the weather is good. Now, let me explain. When you're investing into yourself, you're putting things in your mind and your soul and your body that's going to transform you to the person you ought to be. Let me explain. The books you read, the audio that you listen to, like the motivational, powerful structure that you listen to in the mornings, afternoon, and even at night, exercising your body. I'm getting ready to go to the gym here in a few minutes because I want to exercise my body. I'm investing the time into myself. That way I can take that and I can use it towards other things. Because the better me, the better I can help you. The better I can help the person right across the street. The better I can help the person that's getting ready to call me about learning how to do something on Facebook or YouTube. Anyway, but what I'm saying is that the more powerful I am, the more invest into me in terms of better myself with audio, around good people, good books, exercising my mind and my health, the better I can help another person. So I spend so much time doing that, making sure that is the best I can get it. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. I am not a perfectionist. You have to take action, imperfect action. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just got to get it going. So spend the time investing to yourself. Go outside. If it's a really nice outside, do a lot of things outdoors to really open up your mind and in your soul. So that's number one thing is invest in yourself. How do you do that? Well, take action in one of those things I just told you. Exercise is one of my favorite things to do. Now, number two is invest into an asset or invest into a business that's going to help you make more money for you have more time with family, with friends, with yourself. Let me explain. Right below this video, I do have two things. I have a link where you can start learning how to invest into the assets that are out there in the world, which the digital asset space and the stock space is something that you should know if you don't already. And when you sign up, you get some free Bitcoin. You can learn how to get your first asset. You can go ahead and do that right away. The second thing is start a business. You can start an online business as low as $9.97. You can learn the fundamentals. You can learn the structure of learning how to start an online business. You can learn how to do that. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner. It doesn't matter if you just got on the internet for the first time today. You can learn how to do those two things right now. So that's what I learned throughout the entrepreneur journey, is investing myself and invest in other things that's going to help me as a person. And then I can take that and help more people and help another person, that another person. So it's a cycle. And so when you learn how money, if you get with your relationship with money, if you learn that money should be flowing to you, and if you learn the actually fundamentals of how that can happen to you, and you set things up that way, that's what I'm saying right below the video. You can start a business, learn how to do that right now, or start investing to your first asset and let that grow for you. Not financial advice, but you can at least get the education to learn how to do that today. Now, one thing I want to tell you, do not rush the process. You don't have to rush the process, but I want you to take action. Not perfect. You don't have to watch this video 3 or 4 times. I suggest if you need to, watch this video again if you need a kick-me-up, if you need motivation and inspiration, because I'm telling you, before in the past, I was not investing to myself, and I was not investing to anything that was making me money. Now, a job is called a funded proposal. I call that funded proposal. And what I mean by that is is that you take your funds from that job to fund your dreams, right? So you take portion out of that money to invest into an asset or stock, or invest into a business that can help you make more money. And it doesn't matter if it takes time. Take imperfect action. Keep investing to yourself, like I was talking about before, and invest in ways that's going to make you a better person. Because I know you want to travel the world. You may want to fire that boss one day. I know you want to go ahead and spend more time with the family. You're tired of missing holidays. When you invest into yourself, you're clearing your mind, you're bettering yourself. And then when you invest into assets and a business that's going to help you as a person in terms of income flowing in, then you're going to be a powerful, powerful person. And then improve your relationship with money too along the way. You should probably be doing that first. That's what the books are from. That's why you got to invest into yourself, understanding money should be flowing to you right now. You know what? Money should be flowing to you right now. You know, I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a consistent basis, and that could be you as well. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, invest into yourself, and invest into assets and businesses that's going to help you grow as a person. But you can take all of that, you can help another person, help another brother and sister. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click on the links below to get started. I want you to get started right now, investing to yourself. I'll see you in the next video.